Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if there's no printer found or if your iPhone is not connecting to a printer. The first thing we're going to do is head into the settings app of your iPhone and let's tap on Wi-Fi. Now, one big culprit is essentially your iPhone and the printer both need to be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. So you can see I'm connected to my Luddites and Neolites network. I need to go over to the printer then and make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as my iPhone. And if you needed to, just toggle it off for a little bit and toggle it back on just to reconnect and refresh that connection on your iPhone with this network. I would also recommend going over to the printer and just restarting that printer. Now, if that doesn't work for you, let's head into, let's say, a photo you're going to print. Tap on that little share icon. And now if we scroll down, you can tap on print here. If you don't see that printer at the very top or it's not selected, make sure to just tap on printer and it should pop up with known printers on this list. You'll be able to see here is just my one printer, the HP OfficeJet. If you don't see that printer on there, or if you tap on it but it's not connecting or not printing, the next thing we're going to do is hop out of here and go back into your settings. There could be an issue with your network settings on your iPhone. So let's go back all the way to the beginning. Now, from the beginning of your settings, let's tap on the general option midway down. And then again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on where it says transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom. We're going to choose to reset your network settings. A lot of times this fixes it. So just tap on reset here. And you'll be able to see on your iPhone, the second option says reset network settings. Let's just choose that. And then you're going to enter in the passcode that you use to unlock your phone, and it will reset those settings for you, a lot of times fixing issues with the printer. If that doesn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend doing is doing a forced restart on your phone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So I'm going to do that for you. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Keep pressing it even though it says slide to power off. The next thing you'll see is that the iPhone screen will go completely black, but keep holding your finger on the button until you see that Apple logo. At that point, you can release your fingers and you've done a forced restart on that iPhone. I would also recommend when you do this, just to restart your printer at the exact same time, and that should fix it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.